Why do 90% of Minecraft fans struggle to set up AI servers? Because the instructions sound like ancient runes. Let's make it easy. First, make a new folder just for your server. Think of it as your digital treehouse. Download the right server.jar from the official Minecraft site, pop it in your new folder, and fire up your terminal. Type Java, xmx1024m, xms1024m, jar server.jar no GUI. You'll get a bunch of new files. Open eula.txt, change false to true, and save. Restart your server with the same command. Boom, your Minecraft server is running. Next up, Claude time. Open your terminal and run npxy at smithery/cli install MCP Minecraft, client Claude. If it asks, just manually add the config to Claude_desktop_config.json. Restart Claude desktop. Now launch Minecraft, join using localhost, and look for a little hammer icon near the chat. You're all set. Ask Claude to build mine or even throw you a digital party. Just remember, always say Minecraft in your prompts and approve permissions when asked. Happy crafting!